As today we talk about how can you upload resume on your Glassdoor app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. Then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take us to this list here. You click here on push and email notifications. Then you come to this list here, you click here on edit email settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here, just to change your open video. Then all you have to do, just go up of shop preferences, click on it here. So then it's going to take us to so in this list it's going to open with us like this here. Then you go down, come here to upload resume, click on it here. So then it's going to upload, it's going to show for your list to upload resume here on your Glassdoor app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.